Hi guys, my name's Jean. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to ungroup and group in Illustrator on iPad. So first of all, I'm going to start off by drawing a few squares, and then I'm going to select the Move tool and highlight all of these squares, and then I'm going to show you how to group them. So once I've highlighted them, you go to the group icon on the toolbar, and as you can see, they're all grouped together. To ungroup them, you press the same icon, and as you can see now, they're all ungrouped. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to drop me a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I'll see you on the next one, guys.